Back in the days when I first started my financial course 25 years ago, I religiously followed the steps. It worked wonders. I finished college debt-free thanks to crafting a detailed budget every month. Hi, wonderful folks! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things financial empowerment. I trust everyone enjoy a wonderful holiday break and is fully recharged to embrace the arrival of 2024. I'm Korianne, and today's video is Treasure Trove, Master Your Money, a guide to budgeting and saving in 2024. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our empowering content. Now, if you are ready to take control of your financial destiny, you will have a lot of wisdom to take away by the end of this video. We are diving deep into the strategies and tools that will help you master your money. We will explore everything from budgeting to financial independence to saving smartly and paving your way to financial freedom. But before we dive into, let's quickly address something you have all been asking about: financial independence and budgeting tools. You are in for a great ride because I have got many things for you. Let's discuss the financial independent tools. First, let's talk about the foundation of financial planning. By using the financial independent tools to keep track your finances, we will explore how to use Mint.com to create a dynamic and personalized plan that aligns with your goals. The second is free tools, personalcapital.com, or now called empowerment.com. Mint offers three main features. One is automated tracking. Mint automatically categorizes and tracks your spending and offering insight into your financial habits. Number two is budget customizations. Mint allows you to set up customized budgets based on your categories, make it adaptable to your individual financial goals. Lastly, Mint can also monitor your credit score. Mint provides free credit score update and monitoring, keeping you informed about your credit health. The next tool is Personal Capital. It provides a comprehensive views of your financial life by consolidating all of your accounts, including banks, investments, and retirement accounts, into one central platform. I will highlight 4 features on personalcapital.com that you may be interested in. First is the net worth tracking. It offers a real-time net worth tracker, allow you to monitor your overall financial progress and wealth accumulations. Investment analysis is the second core feature. It provides detailed insight into your investment portfolio, including asset allocations, performance, and fees, helping you make informed investment decisions. Next is the retirement planner. The planner projects your future financial positions and helps you to determine if you are on track to meet your retirement goals. Lastly, Personal Capital also includes budgeting and spending tools to help you track expenses, categorize transactions, and set budget goals. Many of Personal Capital tools and features are available for free, making it accessible to a wide range of users. On the flip side, there are a couple of shortcomings I think with Personal Capital that you may want to be aware of. First, Personal Capital offers a paid wealth management service, and users with significant assets can be targeted for this service. Some users may find the upsell persistent. You can always say no when the service does not serve your financial objectives. Second, for some users, especially those new to personal finance tools, there may be a learning curve in navigating the platform and understanding all the available features and how to best use them. You should check both free tools out Pick one that you can readily use for your personal needs. When specialized tools are too difficult to learn or use, a good old spreadsheet, either Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, may be just what the doctor orders. You can build your custom sheet to track of your budgets and savings if you would prefer. So this allows you to customize just the way you want it. After you have these three tools, next is crafting your financial independent budget. I will break down the essentials and guide you through creating the budget that sets the stage for your journey to financial freedom. First is all about budgeting 101. Let's dive into the budgeting 101, a fundamental guide that many of you have sought for managing family finances. There are numerous free financial budget worksheets available on the internet. You just do the Google search with the keywords budget worksheet and you will find many options. Pick one that aligns with your personal finance goal. Alternately, you can use the free Mint sheet or Nerdwallet sheet. Both link in the convenience place in the show note for you to access. Whether you are a seasoned budgeter or the newbie, this segment is brilliant with tips to safeguard your financial well-being. In my late 20s, a simple sheet worked wonder for me. However, as my family expanded to 4, the complexity of my family budget sheet increased. Now let's get hands-on. After watching this video and selecting a sheet that suits your needs, go ahead and download it. Dive into the details line by line, covering all your income sources, monthly income, W-2 income, dividend income, and business income. Then break down your monthly expenses, include necessary, discretionary, entertainments, and credit card payments. This exercise is crucial. It helped me immensely, providing clarity on how much I needed to make each month to stay in the financial green. I highly recommend you to do them as well. It is a step-by-step guide that is like the GPS for anyone keen on steering their finances to a more organized and purposeful directions. I'm a firm believer that tracking leads to improvement. Back in the days when I first charted my financial course 25 years ago, I religiously followed the steps. It worked wonders. I finished college debt-free thanks to crafting a detailed budget every month. From calculating how much I needed to keep my checking account in the green to budgeting for food essential expenses, it was a game changer. The fun fact is, I figured out that putting in an extra 1 hour each day at my babysitting job could boost my saving by an extra $100 per month. Pretty cool, right? I know $100 extra saving a month was fantastic then. Now, after learning the wisdom from this video, consider dedicating a few hours to crafting your own financial sheet. I can guarantee that armed with this knowledge, you will stride into your financial future with confidence, knowing exactly how much you can squirrel away each month for investments. Consider this. What expenses can you bid farewell to because they are not aligning with your long-term goals? If your income is doing tip-rope work and cannot quite cover your monthly expenses, it may be time to level up those skills. Seek opportunities to acquire high-value skills that could land you a better paying job and give your saving rate a boost. Embarking on this exercise is essential for those who haven't done it yet. Here is why. First, you will gain valuable insight into how much you can save each month based on your current circumstances. Second, you will pinpoint areas for improvements, whether it's cutting expenses or increasing your income. Let's face it, you need money to invest to earn passive income. And passive income is a key to achieve your financial independence. The path to financial independence lies in putting away substantial savings each month, allowing you to invest in assets that generate compound interest over extended period. It's strategic game plan for securing your financial future. If you have not watched a video about how you can save $15,000 a year to invest and earn compound interest of 10%, then you will 5x your investment account. I put the link in the show note for you to watch it if you haven't done so. There you have it, a guide to mastering your money in 2024. But remember, it's not about budgeting, it's about setting the stage for financial independence. So if you found this value in this video, give it a thumb up and share it with anyone on your journey to financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop for more empowering content. Thanks for joining me today. Here's to a year of financial empowerment, budget mastery, and achieving your financial health. Until next time, let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!